Unlocking the world: how to make money online while traveling. The allure of combining work and travel has fueled the rise of the digital nomad lifestyle. Thanks to the power of the internet, it's now possible to earn a living while exploring the world. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the various ways digital nomads can make money online while traveling, including getting paid for traveling itself. We will explore methods to monetize your travel experiences, and we'll also examine the potential earnings from different online income sources like affiliate marketing. Additionally, we'll provide insights into how you can monetize your travel through YouTube and other social media platforms. Let's embark on this exciting journey of freedom and adventure. Before we start, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Remote work opportunities. Remote work is a popular choice for digital nomads, as it allows individuals to work from anywhere with an internet connection. Many companies now offer telecommuting options, providing opportunities in fields such as writing, web development, graphic design, virtual assistants, and more. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Remote.co provide access to a wide array of remote job listings. Digital nomads can secure regular income by working on projects or as full-time employees while enjoying the freedom to travel. Freelancing and consulting. Digital nomads with specialized skills can leverage freelancing and consulting to monetize their expertise. Platforms like Fiverr, TopTal, and Upwork connect freelancers with clients worldwide. By building a strong online presence, establishing a niche, and delivering high-quality work, you can attract clients and build a reliable income stream. Consulting services, whether in marketing, design, or other domains, allow you to offer expert advice remotely and get paid for your knowledge. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to make money online while traveling. By promoting products or services through your website, blog, or social media platforms, you can earn a commission on each sale made through your referral link. Joining affiliate programs offered by companies like Amazon, ShareASale, or CJ Affiliate can provide access to a diverse range of products. Successful affiliate marketers often combine content creation, search engine optimization, SEO, and effective marketing strategies to generate substantial passive income. Earnings from affiliate marketing can vary widely, ranging from a few $100s to several $1,000s per month, depending on factors such as niche, audience, and marketing efforts. Online coaching and teaching. If you possess expertise in a particular field or have a passion for teaching, online coaching and teaching can be a rewarding way to monetize your skills while traveling. Platforms such as Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable allow you to create and sell online courses on various subjects. Additionally, tutoring or providing language lessons through platforms like italki or VIPKid can be lucrative options. Building a reputation as an expert and delivering valuable content can attract a steady flow of students and clients. Blogging and vlogging. Blogging and vlogging are powerful tools for monetizing travel experiences. By creating engaging content and sharing your adventures, you can attract a loyal audience. Through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate partnerships, you can generate income from your blog or YouTube channel. Successful bloggers and vloggers often combine storytelling, stunning visuals, and valuable insights to captivate their audience. As your following grows, collaboration opportunities with tourism boards, hotels, and travel-related brands may arise, providing sponsored trips and additional monetization avenues. Earnings from blogging and vlogging can vary significantly, ranging from a supplementary income to substantial six-figure incomes for top influencers. Social media monetization. In addition to blogging and vlogging, digital nomads can monetize their travel experiences through various social media platforms. Instagram, for instance, offers opportunities for sponsored posts, where brands pay influencers to showcase their products or services to their followers. As your Instagram following grows, you can collaborate with brands and negotiate paid partnerships, travel sponsorships, or ambassador programs. It's essential to maintain an authentic and engaged audience by creating visually appealing and compelling content that resonates with your niche. YouTube, on the other hand, provides a platform for video content creators to monetize their travel adventures. Once your channel meets the eligibility criteria, such as having a minimum number of subscribers and watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This program enables you to monetize your videos through advertisements, channel memberships, and super chat features. Additionally, you can collaborate with brands for sponsored content, join YouTube's merchandise shelf program, or leverage crowdfunding platforms like Patreon to further monetize your content. Monetizing photography and writing. If you have a talent for photography or writing, you can monetize these skills while traveling. Many online publications, magazines, and stock photography websites are willing to pay for captivating travel stories, destination guides, and high-quality images. By pitching your ideas and submitting your work to relevant publications, you can earn money while sharing your experiences with a wider audience. Stock photography platforms like Shutterstock, Getty Images, and Adobe Stock allow you to sell your travel photos to individuals and businesses looking for compelling visuals. Creating digital products. Digital nomads can also create and sell their digital products while traveling. Ebooks, online guides, presets, templates, and digital artwork are just a few examples of digital products that can be created and marketed to a global audience. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy provide easy-to-use tools for selling digital products. By leveraging your skills and expertise, you can generate passive income while continuing your travel adventures. Dropshipping and e-commerce. For those interested in running an online business, dropshipping and e-commerce can offer opportunities to make money while traveling. With dropshipping, you can create an online store without having to handle inventory or shipping logistics. By partnering with suppliers and utilizing platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, you can sell products directly to customers, earning a profit on each sale. E-commerce businesses, whether through your website or online marketplaces like Etsy or Amazon, allow you to sell handmade products, artwork, or unique travel-related items to a global customer base. The earnings potential for digital nomads varies depending on several factors, including chosen income sources, dedication, skills, niche, and marketing strategies. Some digital nomads may earn a modest income that covers their travel expenses, while others can build highly successful businesses generating substantial revenue. It's important to note that making money online while traveling requires discipline, adaptability, and consistent effort. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, so staying updated with industry trends and optimizing your income streams is crucial for long-term success. In this digital age, making money online while traveling the world has become an exciting and viable option for many adventurous individuals. Whether through remote work, freelancing, affiliate marketing, coaching, content creation, or running online businesses, digital nomads have an array of opportunities to generate income while exploring new destinations. Monetizing travel experiences through blogging, vlogging, social media, photography, and writing adds another layer of income potential. Remember, success as a digital nomad requires determination, creativity, and a willingness to adapt to the ever-changing digital landscape. So pack your bags, grab your laptop, and embrace the freedom and possibilities that come with making money online while traveling the world. The world is waiting for you.